Hello students. Hello students. Hello students. I hope you all are doing good job at home. You are welcome in class 2 in maths lecture. As you can see, today we are going to start our maths class. Okay? So what we are going to study in maths class today? Today we are going to we will be learning about 3-digit numbers. Okay? About 3-digit numbers. A revision of lesson 2, numbers up to 1000. Already we have studied, but this is just a revision, because in next week you will be having a test. Yes or no? So I am going to take a revision. You will be having 2 lessons for the test, lesson 1 and lesson 2. Okay? So for that I am taking the revision. Now already we have learned about the abacus and that all. So directly I will be going to the before number and after number. Okay. Today in 3-digit numbers we will learn about before numbers. What we will be learning? Before numbers. Then what comes? After that what? Between numbers. Between numbers. And then 3 will be after numbers. Third will be after numbers. These 3 things we are going to study. Okay. First of all, we will be studying about the before numbers. Okay. Now I have here one box. Okay. Now you will be you can see over here what I am doing. Okay. One box is there. Okay. I am writing the number in that with the colorful chalks. You can see that. First of all, I will write 562. Then next will be 563. Next will be 564. Then next will be 565. Can you see the numbers? Then 566. Then you will be seeing here, that is 567. Can you see those numbers? I have written on the board. 562, 563, 564, 565, 566, 567. Now let's see. So first of all, we will learn before numbers. Can you see colorful with the colorful chalks I have written the numbers in the boxes? Yes. And there are some 3-digit numbers. These all are 3-digit numbers. You can see In each box there are 3 numbers, means these are 3-digit numbers. We are talking about 3-digit numbers. So, do you know how to know before numbers? How to do before numbers? Do you know how to do before numbers? Can anyone tell me how to do? How do we do? When we count the numbers in backward direction. How do we count them? Backward. Backward counting. Okay, when we start counting them in a backward direction, then we get a before number. For example, let's have some example. This example only I will take. Now tell me which number comes before 600. Okay, first of all I will take this number before 567. Okay, wait. 567. Now tell me which number comes before 57. You can see here number 567. You can see in the last box I have written the number 567. Before that, what I have told before only, you have to do the backward counting. You have to go to the backward direction for counting. So from right to left, you will be coming from right to लेफ्ट. ओके, इसे कैसे जाना है हम लोगों को? राइट से लेफ्ट आना है, लेफ्ट से राइट नहीं. जब हम बिफोर काउंटिंग करते हैं तब हम कैसे आते हैं? बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग करके आते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैसे मैं बता सकती हूँ आपको? 10, ओके, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, यस, 4, 3, 2, 1. हमने वो 1 डिजिट का देखा, लेकिन सेम वे, इन अ सेम वे हम 3 डिजिट का भी कर सकते हैं. तो कैसे हम 3 डिजिट का करेंगे? देखो अभी यहाँ पे मैं दिखा रही हूँ आपको. फ्रॉम बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग, फ्रॉम 567 टू, ऑलरेडी नंबर आई हैव रिटन ओवर हियर. यहाँ पे मैंने नंबर लिखा हुआ है 566. सो वी काउंट एज अ बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग. सो व्हाट यू विल बी राइटिंग ओवर हियर? आप यहाँ पे क्या लिख सकते हो? अभी 567 के पहले क्या लिख सकते हो आप यहाँ पे? 566. ओके, सो दिस वे सेम वी ऑल आर गोइंग टू डू द सेम ऑल नंबर्स. ओके, सेम वे. नाउ आई एम हैविंग 566. अभी मेरे पास कौन सा नंबर है? हियर 566. उससे पहले, बिफोर मीन्स क्या होता है? उससे पहले के नंबर. तो कैसे हम काउंट करते हैं? आपको याद करना है. कैसे याद करना है? बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग. आपको दिमाग में रहना चाहिए कि बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग हमेशा होता है. जब हम बिफोर नंबर पूछते हो, कोई भी बिफोर नंबर पूछेगा तो क्या आता है माइंड में? इमीडिएटली बैकवर्ड काउंटिंग. ओके, तो अभी मेरे पास 566 number है. So again I will go to the box. You can see here box and you will find their number before the 566. Which number is there? So you can see over here 565. Again I will jump one time and you will be looking over 565 number written इन द बॉक्स. ओके, आप देख सकते हो. पहले फिर से मैं राइट टू लेफ्ट आई केम. कहाँ कैसे आ गई? राइट टू लेफ्ट. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर लिखा हुआ है? 565. 1 स्टेप बैकवर्ड. क्या? 1 स्टेप बैकवर्ड. अगेन यू ऑल विल राइट ओवर हियर. व्हाट नंबर यू विल राइट? बिफोर मीन्स पहले. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे हम अभी? 565. Okay, that's it. Now next we will move to the next number. What is our next number? Who can tell me what is the next number I will write over here? Number 565. 565. So you can see again in the box. What do I have written here? Very good. 564. Again I will step one here backward. Okay. From 565 to 564. So what number have you got over here now? 564. 564. Next again, now I have here 564. Before that, उससे पहले कौन सा नंबर आना चाहिए? Which number will come? So here again it will come 563. You can see in the boxes I have written already. Just you have to take the one step backward. You have to go to the one step backward to see whether you have written correct or no. So you can make a number line also like this. Okay. If you don't know how to do, whatever number is given, and you can write down on the number line like this numbers, and you can find it out which one is a before number. Okay. Is that clear now? Now again, one more step. So what is there now before 564? 563. 563. Now here last number is I have 563. So you can see in the box I have written 563. So you have to go one step backward. Again one step backward. Jump one time from right to left. Right to left. So what number you can see over here? 562. You can see over here 562. Okay. Is that clear now? I think everybody has understood. Yes. Yes. Now let's start with some more examples. I will be giving you some more examples and you all are writing in your notebook. Okay. You will be writing in your notebook. Okay. Chalo, let's start. Okay, I am giving the examples. I am waiting for your answer. Okay, we are learning about the before number. Okay. Chalo, right. Let's see. A1 is dash 433. What is there? 433. So before 433 you have to see which number comes. Okay, you have to see that which number comes. Now here I am having another number 512. Then D I am having dash 623. Chalo, start doing. I will be counting till 5. So you all will solve this. Okay. So I have here first 433. You can draw a number line. Otherwise you can draw a boxes like how I have shown you. Very good. All of all of you are giving me answers. Very good, children. Okay. Chalo, I have got the answer over here. What is the answer? First one's answer I have got over here. 400. You can see 4 will come as it is. Before that 433. Before that which number comes? 432. 432. I have got the number 432. Now I have next number over here, dash 649. You have to see before that which number comes before that. Chalo, start doing. What number I will be having? Yes, I have got answer over here. 648. 648. That's good. Now next I am having C1 with me. 512. Okay, I am giving you 1 minute to solve this. 512. 512. Chalo, start. Here I have got answer 511. Okay. Now last number I am having over here in D, last one, dash 623. So before that which number comes? उससे पहले 602 के 23 के पहले कौन सा नंबर आ जाएगा? आप बॉक्सेस भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. आपको पता नहीं है तो आपको नंबर लाइन आती है तो नंबर लाइन में आप बना सकते हो. नंबर लाइन बना के ऐसे लिख सकते हो. ओके. 6 तो 621, 622, 623, 624. Till this number come, you can write on that number line. Okay, 626. Now can you see this number I have written over here? 623. I have got number. So from that number to left. उस नंबर से पहले देखो आपको बैकवर्ड 1 स्टेप बैकवर्ड आना है. तो क्या नंबर आ जाएगा यहाँ पे? यू कैन सी ओवर हियर इन नंबर लाइन 622. Here I have got the number 622. Okay. Now let's learn about the next number. Okay. After numbers. Already you have studied this after numbers from senior KG. From senior KG से आप ये study करते हैं, करके आ रहे हैं. Just this is a of 3-digit number, so I am taking it again. Okay. Now let's start with a after number. Okay. After numbers. Let's see. Now I'm having here one box, same way how I was having. Okay, let's see. 401, 403, 404 and 405 and 406. Okay, now tell me what we will do over here. How do we come to know? First of all, if I take a number here 402, if I take number 402 and I want to know the after number of this, so you are going the forward counting, forward direction. So from 402, you will be going one step forward. One step forward, एक step आगे जाना है. Forward means क्या? आगे. After numbers means आगे का नंबर आपको ढूंढना है. तो देखो बॉक्स में मैंने लिखा, ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है 402, ओके, 403. तो उसके बाद हम लोगों को क्या नंबर मिल रहा है? 403. क्या नंबर मिल रहा है अभी यहाँ पे? 403. Okay. Now I will be having 403 over here. Now we will go back to in the box. You will see here 403. यहाँ पे 403 लिखा हुआ है. तो उसके बाद कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर आ रहा है? यहाँ पे 404. उसके बाद तो वन स्टेप फॉरवर्ड जाना है. आपको क्या करना है इसमें? वन स्टेप फॉरवर्ड जाना है. देखो 403 यहाँ पे मैंने पॉइंट आउट किया है 403 में. उसके बाद क्या आ रहा है? देखो 404. सो वी कैन राइट इट ओवर हियर 404. Same way we will do of all the numbers. Okay. Next number I will be writing here 404. Now I am having with me 404. Again we can go to the box. I am pointing at the 404. So from that place we will go one place forward. One step forward. So which number I can get over here? यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर मुझे मिल रहा है? 405. वेरी गुड चिल्ड्रन. 405. Now I will be writing here 405 is there with me. Now again we will go to the box. I have point out here. You can see over here 405. Again we will go one step forward, means एक step आगे जाना है. तो हम एक स्टेप आगे जाने के बाद हम लोगों को कौन सा नंबर मिलता है यहाँ पे? 406. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? 406. अंडरस्टूड? सो हियर आई विल राइट 406. ओके, क्लियर? ओके, दैट्स गुड. नाउ I will give some more examples to solve for you. Okay. चलो A1. A after numbers. Okay. 666. B 740. C I am having 549 and D1 I am having 423. Chalo, start solving. I am waiting for yourself. Chalo, start. Yes, come on. Done with your answers? Done? Okay, first one, 666. I am having here 666 over here. So after that what will come? 667. उसके बाद नंबर कौन सा आ रहा है यहाँ पे? 667. Now here I am having 740. 740. So after this which number comes over here? After 740 which number will come? उसके बाद 740 740 के बाद क्या नंबर आ सकता है वहां पे? कौन कौन मुझे बताएगा? हु इज गोइंग टू टेल मी? 741. That's good. Okay, now C1. We will move to the next number. Okay. What do we have next number? 549. So what will be the next number? What will be the after number after this? उसके बाद में कौन सा नंबर आ सकता है यहाँ पे? 500. चलो, come on. 49. After 49, which number comes over here? Yes. Who is going to tell me? Till 5 I will count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that's good. 550. So here I have got answer 550. That's good. Now next number. Last one. Okay. 423. So after 423, which number will come over here? Who is going to tell me? Yes, come on. So here will be getting number 424. Yes, that's good. Okay, now this after number, before number, you are going to write down in your notebook. Okay, these some examples I have given that you will be writing in your notebook. Okay. Yes. Now we will move to the next. Which number has left? Who can tell me which number we are going to study now? Between numbers. Which numbers? Let's start with a between numbers. Between numbers. Okay. Now let's see here now. Good. Okay. Now let's see. Sorry. For example, now I am having here number 213-214. So in between, what number will come? You have to start counting. 213. Oh, sorry. Here will come 15. 213. Then after that, what number comes? 240. What number comes over here? 240. Yes. Can you see over here? 240. I will show you some more example over here. Same way I will draw a box. $340, $342. Now this is a easy one. Easily you can come to know. अभी हमने क्या सीखा है? पहले बिफोर नंबर एंड आफ्टर नंबर. अभी बीच में, जो बीच में आता है, बिटवीन नंबर्स मीन्स जो बीच में आता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? बिटवीन नंबर्स. ओके, दोनों नंबर से बीच में जो नंबर आता है. तो यहाँ पे हमने देखा है 340. तो उसके बाद मीन्स इमीडिएटली आफ्टर नंबर. you know that after number we have studied just. So immediately in your mind will come one step forward. क्या करना है आपको? one step forward जाना है. तो आपको between number आ सकता है. Yes or no? और same way you go to the next number 342. 342 के पहले, उससे पहले आफ्टर नंबर हमने पढ़ा है. तो उससे पहले क्या आ सकता है? तो दोनों में बीच में. So that is why first of all I have taught you before and after number. So it will be easy to find out the between numbers. Okay, so what number will come in between? 341. So यहाँ पे 341 number we got over here. Okay, understood? So same way we have to solve the some more examples. Okay, now I will be giving some more examples and you all are going to solve them. Okay, let's start. A 776 dash 778 78. Chalo solve this now. Next number I am having over here 835 dash 837. Then C I am having over here 412 414. Next I am having over here last one 555 557. Chalo, let's start with A. Chalo, we'll be doing A now. A1 I'm having over here 776 dash 778. So what will be the between number of them? Here I will get 777. What number I will get over there? 777. 8. Who is telling that 8? Yes. Now next number I am having over here B. We will go to the next 835 dash 837. So which number will come in between? What number will come in between? 836. What number I have got over here? 836. Okay, that's good. Now we'll move to the next number. We'll move to the next number. Chalo, 412. I'm having here 412. 412 and here I am having 414. So which number will come in between? What is that number? Very good. 413. Okay. 413. Chalo, we'll move to the next. I am having here 555. And here I am having 557. So what comes in between? In between it is 556. What number comes here? 556. Okay. That's it. Have you all understood before, after and between numbers? You all are going to do the practice of this lesson 1 and 2. Okay. So, and I will be sending you Google form and that you are going to solve. Okay. You don't have to solve it in the notebook. Just solve it in the Google form only and submit it. Okay. So that's it for today and we will meet for next session. Bye bye. Have a nice day.